Today, you will learn how to lock an image in Word so it does not move when you add or edit text. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document and insert an image. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and choose any image from your computer. Once the image is inside the document, click on it to select it. The most important step is to change how the image interacts with text. Right-click on the image and choose Wrap Text. You must select any option except In Line with Text, because this default option makes the image behave like a letter, which is why it keeps moving when you type. You can choose options like Square, Tight, Behind Text, or In Front of Text. After choosing a wrapping style, you will see a small layout icon appear next to the image. Click on this layout icon and select Fix Position on Page. This is the key option. Once you enable this, the image becomes anchored to that exact spot on the page. Even if you add or remove text, the image will not move. When you click on the image, you may also notice a small anchor symbol near it. This shows that the image is now anchored to a fixed position in the document. Now let's look at another very useful method, especially if you want to use an image as a background. This method uses the Watermark feature. Go to the Design tab on the top ribbon, click on Watermark, and choose Custom Watermark. In the box that opens, select Picture Watermark, and then click Select Picture. Choose your image and press OK. The image will now appear as a background, and it will be completely locked in place. You won't be able to drag it accidentally. If you're sharing the document with others and you don't want anyone to move the image, you can use the Restrict Editing feature. Go to the Review tab and click Restrict Editing. A panel will open on the right side. Check the options for formatting and editing restrictions, then click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. Set a password and press OK. Now the document is protected and no one can move the image unless they know the password. Another smart method is using the Developer tab. If you don't see the Developer tab, go to File, then Options, then Customize Ribbon, and Enable Developer. Once it appears, select the image, go to the Developer tab, and click Picture Content Control. This helps keep the image locked in its place inside the document structure. You can also place images inside the header or footer area. Double-click at the top or bottom of the page to open the header or footer. Insert your image there using the Insert tab. Close the header and footer. Now the image stays fixed at the top or bottom of every page and does not move when you edit the document. Now you know multiple ways to lock an image in Word. If you found this tutorial helpful and easy to understand, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more simple Word tutorials that save your time and protect your document formatting.